Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT for Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert animals icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will open a Microsoft Word file. So in this file we will go to the insert option. So in insert options lots of subsections presenting here. So here we'll press the icons options that have insert an icon to visual communicate using symbol. So here lots of things are here. We want the animals icons. So if we click this, so here lots of animal icons are present here. First of all we will click one and then insert. We click one, that's why it's right one. Click two, see the two. So click one, insert. So here the animals icons is presenting here. So in this we can increase or decrease or reduce the size easily. So here also we can design this sign. So how graphics format, so graphics fill. So click this fill, graphics outline. So outline, the animals outline is printed here. See outline here, the graphics effects. So how it affects, there have lots of effects option. If we wanna do the 3D, see I insert this picture in below, then we'll get it clearly. So see the 3D section has been revealed this way: oblique, perspective, parallel, or if we want to give no any kinds of rotation, then click it. So in this way we will take the animal's icon and we can reduce it easily. So here also we can type or text wrapping with this. So how, that means we can move here easily. Also this, see these sections with this with text wrapping, that means the background or backside, see the things, the whole picture has been given the backside, or the written part or written something, whatever the thing has been come the front part. That's why we will click this. And this also, this is the front side will be happen the animal picture. See the right has been covered with the help of this picture. So in this way we can do this. Also we can take lots of icons at a time. So here animal, this we will select this and insert this in this way. See lots of pictures we will insert this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.